Hey guys, this is Gloria. So I am here to share with you guys a small haul that I did on AliExpress, and I shopped at Alina Crafts. I know most of you guys know Alina Crafts by now. They are an awesome store on AliExpress. They ship pretty quick and they have some really nice dyes. So let me show you the ones that I actually completed some projects on. I use this tag dye right here, and it has 5 different tags on it. Really nice, and can be used on different projects. I also picked up this doily dye. Now this is a half of a doily. It actually only cuts out half the doily, but I will share with you guys a project that I completed where I was able to not use this cutting part right here and use the doily in a different way. She also carries stamps, which is really awesome, and I've used these stamps and they actually stamp out pretty good. I used it with my stamp press as well as just a regular stamp block, and they actually work great. These stamps as well, and these are sentiment stamps, and let me just tell you some of the sentiments is: hello gorgeous, you look fabulous, wishing you a great day, hey girlfriend, I treasure your friendship with sympathy, made with all my love, this hug is for you, bring me a visit, so glad you're my friend, how are you doing, and just want to say, and then it has the 3 dots behind it. Now I believe this particular stamp set does come with a die set that you can purchase. I don't have the die set, so I did fussy cut this image out, which was not that hard to do, but I do wish that I had the die set to go along with this stamp set. But it's a really awesome stamp set. This one here, I actually used a 1.5 inch scallop punch, just a regular hand punch that I bought from Hobby Lobby, and I was able to actually cut these out, which is great. So, you know, these are really nice to put on tags and different projects. This one says, you give me butterflies when I look at you. This one says, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. This one says, I'm really sorry. Hope you can forgive me. This one says, hugs and kisses to you, my friend. I like that one. So happy for you. Let's party. I hope my card will make you smile, which this one is awesome to put on the back of your handmade cards. Happy birthday to you, my friend. You're invited to my party. You made my day. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. I'm sending you flowers just to cheer you up. Everything is better when shared with a friend. Thanks, merci, and then gracias, and I can't pronounce this one, and it says, for everything you do for me, which is awesome. So those are some really nice stamps to pick up, and like I said, they stamped out really well. And then the last one that I will share with you is this particular die right here, and it makes a little basket that's good for Easter time. It's also good for just giving little gifts, little candies and different things like that. Valentine's Day is coming up, and I can see this cut out in pink or red and given to co-workers for little co-worker gifts. So as I said before, I got all of it from Alina Crafts, and I will link the information down below if you guys are interested. So let me just share with you guys the projects that I created with these dies. So the first one that I'll share with you guys is this little basket die, and it's super duper cute. I used some double-sided paper by Authentique, and this was a 6x6 paper pad that I used. And the great thing about that die is that you can actually use one 6x6 piece of paper to cut out this little basket. So just run this through with a 6x6 sheet of paper and you'll get this little basket right here. These little flowers I cut out with some little scraps that I had, and I kind of layered up some of the flowers as well as the little leaves on the side. I thought that came out really cute. This little stamp right here is from the stamp set, and it says, I treasure your friendship. I just put a little heart right there. I used brads to put this together. You don't have to use glue. You can just layer up all the components on the brad, and it's super simple to put this little basket together. And then I just put some little shreds in the inside, and I can put like some little goodies, some little candies or whatever. On the tag, I did tie a little bow with some twine that I had and put that around there, and I thought it came out super cute. This tag is also in my haul, which is the smaller tag right here. So I just stamped that out, and then I cut it out using that little tag die right there. The next one that I'll show you guys is this particular tag right here, and I love the way this tag came out. This tag is using that half of a doily, and what I did was I cut out the doily first, and then I took the tag die and I ran the tag die through the cutting machine with the doily that I had already cut out. That way it'll make a perfect fit for my little tag, because as you can see, this tag is not straight at the bottom, and then it has like this little curve at the top. So I wanted it to fit on the side of my tag, and this tag can also double as a little gift card holder, so you can tuck a little gift card or a photo or some memorabilia, whatever, underneath here. You can use this in a scrapbook or whatever. And then I use that stamp that says, "So glad you're my friend," and this is the other stamp that you can stamp around it, and I just fussy cut that out using some scissors. But like I said, this particular stamp set does have it does have a die that you can pick up from her store as well. So you know, it might be worth getting the die, because it's not that hard to cut it out, but dies are just so much easier. And then I just put some flowers down here at the bottom, and I put some ribbon at the top with a little twine around the ribbon, and I thought that came out super cute as well. And then last but not least, I made this little packaging, and my little clay pieces falling apart over here. But what I wanted to share with you guys is the half a doily that I put at the top. And as I said before, what I did was I just ran it halfway through my die cutting machine where there's some holes on the die. Let me show that to you real quick, just in case you pick up this die. So this is meant to do half of a doily so that you can use it on cards or whatever, but there are some holes. If you see those holes right there, if you line your paper up to those little holes right there, it will not cut this last line right here, which means then you can actually flip this die over on the opposite side and actually run it through and have a whole doily if you wanted it that way. So you'll have a complete circle doily, or you'll have part of your paper still hanging off where you can actually cut it and create a bag topper out of it. And that's what I did here. I just cut it and made a little bag topper, and this is a resealable bag, and I just stamped on the back with one of those stamps that I just picked up, and it says, "Everything is better when shared with a friend." And then I put these little these are like paper clay pieces inside of here, and this is how the doily looks, and I just stuck one of my bows on the front. So I thought those came out super duper cute. So that is all that I wanted to share with you guys right now. I will be back to share with you guys more projects from different things that I pick up from here and there. And as always, guys, if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below, and I'll get back with you as soon as I possibly can. Take care, guys. Bye.